Ever wondered what NoSQL is and why it's important? In the digital world, databases are vital for storing and managing vast amounts of data. Traditionally, the go-to method for managing these databases has been SQL, or Structured Query Language. SQL has been the backbone of many applications, helping to keep data organized and accessible. It's been the standard for decades, reliably serving data needs across industries. But in recent years, a new player has entered the field: NoSQL. So, what exactly is NoSQL? Well, imagine a database, but without the constraints of a fixed table structure. That's NoSQL, a non-relational database that doesn't require fixed table schemas. It's like a free spirit in the world of databases, flexible and adaptable. This makes it a breeze to scale and modify according to our needs. Now, NoSQL isn't just about flexibility. It's also about handling vast amounts of data efficiently. That's where its use in big data comes in. Picture processing millions of tweets in real time or analyzing customer behavior across numerous online platforms. NoSQL makes these tasks possible and, dare I say, easy. And let's not forget about real-time web applications. Ever wondered how your favorite social media platforms update your feed in a blink? That's NoSQL working its magic, managing and updating data on the fly. But how does NoSQL compare to the traditional SQL? Let's find out in our next segment. SQL and NoSQL may both be used for managing databases, but they have some crucial differences. Picture this: SQL is like a meticulous librarian. Everything is organized, categorized, and relationships are clearly defined. It's a relational database system where data is stored in tables, and these tables are linked to each other, creating a structured, interconnected web of information. This structured approach is great for complex queries, where you need to pull data from multiple tables based on specific relationships. It's vertically scalable, meaning you can increase its capacity by boosting the power of your hardware. On the other hand, NoSQL is more like a free-spirited artist. It doesn't require fixed schemas. Data can be stored in multiple ways: document-oriented, column-oriented, graph-based, or key-value store. NoSQL embraces flexibility, accommodating unstructured and semi-structured data with ease. This makes it ideal for handling large amounts of data, and it is horizontally scalable, meaning you can increase capacity by connecting more servers in the network. Now, let's talk about their strengths and weaknesses. SQL shines in environments where data integrity and consistency are paramount. Think banking systems or any application where transactions need to be accurately tracked and reported. SQL's structured nature is a boon here, but it can also be a limitation when dealing with diverse, rapidly changing data. NoSQL, in contrast, thrives in situations where speed and scalability matter. Social networks, real-time analytics, and big data applications are where NoSQL databases flex their muscles. They can handle large volumes of data and can scale out across many servers to maintain performance. However, this flexibility can come at the cost of data consistency. In summary, SQL and NoSQL are two different tools for two different jobs. SQL is like a scalpel, precise and accurate, perfect for complex, interrelated queries. NoSQL is like a broad brush, capable of handling large swaths of diverse data, but perhaps less precise. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between SQL and NoSQL will depend on the specific needs of your project. So, what are the key takeaways about NoSQL? First and foremost, NoSQL's flexibility is a game changer. Unlike SQL databases that require a structured schema, NoSQL allows data to be stored in various ways. This includes document, column, graph, or key-value store-based methods. This flexibility makes NoSQL ideal for dealing with a wide variety of data types and structures. Next, let's talk scalability. NoSQL databases are designed to expand and handle enormous amounts of data efficiently. They can be easily scaled out across many servers to increase capacity. This means as your data grows, your database can grow with it without any disruption to the service. NoSQL is also a go-to choice for big data and real-time web applications. The speed and scalability of NoSQL databases make them perfect for managing and analyzing large volumes of rapidly changing, multi-structured data. Now let's touch on some popular NoSQL databases. MongoDB, for instance, is a document-oriented database that is known for its strong performance and ease of use. CouchDB, on the other hand, is applauded for its robust data safety and crash resistance. Lastly, Cassandra stands out with its exceptional scalability and fault tolerance, making it a favorite among businesses dealing with large data sets. In a world where data is king, Understanding NoSQL could give you the edge you need.